Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're thinking what to make for breakfast, then this is a great idea for you. I'm using whole wheat bread. You can use your white bread. So let's get right into the kitchen and get started. I have 4 slices of whole wheat bread here. I also have some hickory smoked ham, extra sharp cheddar single cheese, 4 eggs, salt and pepper, some young baby spinach leaf, red and yellow bell pepper, and also some butter. So into my bowl I'm going to put my 4 eggs, and you can use any vegetable into yours. Once I do this, I'm going to add the salt and the pepper and just whisk it until my egg starts to foam or get frothy. So over onto my stove, I have my pan, and I didn't place any oil or butter. And I did place my pre-cooked hickory smoked ham into the pan, just so I can get most of the moisture out from it. Just let it cook there for about a minute. Flip them over and then remove them and place them onto your dish. Now into the same pan, I'm going to add a little bit of butter. Once the butter melts, I'm going to add my yellow and red bell peppers right up into here. You don't want to overcook them. We're just going to toss them around for a minute. And once I'm done with this, I'm going to add my baby spinach leaves. As you can see, a little bit of waterfall, meaning that, well, yes, I did wash them thoroughly. Toss them around for another minute until my leaf starts to quail. Now I'm going to add my beaten eggs and just cook this for 1 minute. After 1 minute of cooking, I'm going to turn the fire off from under the pan and let this sit in the pan for another minute. And this is how I do my eggs. Remove them, place them onto a plate, and use the same pan. Place some butter into it. Once the butter melts here, I'm just going to place my 2 slices of bread right up into here, and this is just about warming the bread. We don't want to use cold bread, alright? You can also toast your bread in the toaster oven. I just do it this way just so I can get a little extra butter flavor onto my bread. Then just flip them over. This only takes a minute on both sides, just a couple of seconds that I get them done on each side. Remove them. And now we're going to place our eggs onto our slices. And this is a simple and easy recipe, guys. Now add the hickory smoked ham along with the extra sharp cheddar single cheese. And there you have it. This recipe is a basic version, and you can easily tweak it to suit yourself. It's a super quick recipe and can be made in just a few minutes. And here we have some good protein, perfect for starting your day. So what are you waiting for, guys? Get cracking. All right, so give it a try. Let me know what you think. Very healthy and satisfying breakfast. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.